Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make cheap webcam look better OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enhance the appearance of a cheap webcam on OBS, consider the following tips. First tip, good lighting. Adequate lighting can significantly improve image quality. Ensure you have a well-distributed sublighting to reduce shadows and improve clarity. Next tip, adjust webcam settings. Most webcams allow you to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Open the webcam settings in OBS, and if there is, experiment with these parameters to find the optimal balance for your environment. Next tip, use filters in OBS. OBS provides filters that can enhance your webcam feed. Right-click on your webcam source, select filters, and experiment with options like color correction, sharpness, and chroma key if applicable. Next tip, virtual backgrounds. If your webcam supports it, use virtual backgrounds to hide a cluttered or less than ideal environment. OBS allows you to add virtual backgrounds through filters or chroma key settings. Another tip, upgrade resolution and FPS. Check if your webcam supports higher resolutions and frame rates. Adjust these settings in OBS to achieve a crisper and smoother video feed if applicable. Next tip, use a tripod or stable surface. Stabilize your webcam by using a tripod or placing it on a table or a stable surface. This helps reduce shaky footage and enhances the overall viewing experience. Another tip, consider external microphone. If your webcam's built-in microphone doesn't provide satisfactory audio quality, consider using an external microphone. Good audio can significantly improve the overall perception of your stream or video. Final tip, experiment with framing. Adjust the framing and composition to focus on what matters most. A well-framed shot can make a significant difference in how your webcam feed looks. Remember that while these tips can improve the appearance of a cheap webcam, there are limitations to the hardware. Investing in a high-quality webcam might offer more significant improvements in image quality. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.